ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಪ್ರೇಕ್ಷಕರೇ ವಂದನೆಗಳು. This is BackpackbikerSam. Hope you guys are doing fine. Coffee is always a good idea. Filter coffee is always pretty good. Alright, so let's get on to the topic, and today I'm going to unbox a mobile device, and this mobile device goes by the caption Lite and Loaded. It's from Xiaomi, and I have no idea how this device really looks. Yeah, in-hand feel is what I'm going to explore now. Of late, I've not been riding anywhere. I'm stuck at home with lockdown, and so all my rides were cancelled. So just thought, why not unbox this phone? Even the YouTube channel was inactive all these days, so I just thought that why not let me unbox this mobile device and show you guys how it looks, and what are the specs and how it performs, and general it's not a tech channel, or it is not a complete technology, or it's a tech review of this device. It is just an unboxing and overview. So what I feel about the device, I will definitely give you guys in my review, and let's get unboxing with this device. And thank you for coming by, and thank you for tuning into this channel, and please do like this channel, subscribe, share and support, and thank you. Let's get unboxing. So this is the Flipkart package I've got. So let me remove this and come with the main box. So that now I have unwrapped the packaging, and so now we can see the mobile itself. So this is the Mi 11 Lite. So Lite and Loaded. So we have on the back here with the main specs. So it's about so the device has 90 Hz AMOLED display, dot display with HDR10, 10-bit true color technology, and the chipset is Qualcomm Snapdragon 732 with 4250 mAh battery, 64 MP triple camera. So I've got the Just Blue 6GB and 120GB variant. Okay, so let's unbox the device now. All this junk here. Designed by Xiaomi, obviously. Yeah. I think these are the leaflets and instructions. We have the SIM ejector pin here, and also we have a deep blue case. See this cut? It's just similar like iPhone. The case is of pretty good quality, not the best but decent one, and it will get the job done. Good. So there is another interesting package here. So this has the converter, okay, Type C to 3.5. I think this is for the audio, and I think this device does not have the 3.5 audio jack. Okay, so good that Xiaomi has given this converter along with the box. That's good job. Okay, so coming to the main device. Whoa. Seriously, guys, this is so light. Wow, shit, man, this. Whoa, look at this rare, and so uh, I got no words, and this looks so stylish, a kind of new design, and it's pretty eye catchy as well. And this part looks like the iPhone, and it is a neat design. It is very impressive. I'm just in love with this design, and the phone, the overall form factor of this phone is so light, and I think this maybe around 160 170 something grams or something, but I'm not sure. But it feels so light, and even the overall build and the form factor in the hand is pretty handy, and it's very slim, very slim. A nice packaging, Xiaomi, and the device in this blue color looks pretty awesome, guys. I think we have the volume rockers and the fingerprint sensor here, and nothing on the side. I think at the bottom we have the primary speaker, charging port, primary noise cancellation, and the SIM tray here. And on the top we have secondary noise cancellation mic along with the IR sensor. Yeah, I think this Xiaomi will never miss this IR sensors or any of the devices. So this is the IR sensor and the secondary mic here. Okay. Wow. So wow. Look at this, guys. This is so sexy and gorgeous device. Oh, this is why I like mobiles. I keep, I admire mobiles a lot. I admire how they design, how they make it. It's nice. But this is my first unboxing, and guys, please forgive me if there are any things that I'm exaggerating here. So this rare is also kind of, can you see that kind of glossy matte finish. This color is called the jazz blue color, and I am totally impressed with this device. So wow. So the front is a 6.55 full HD plus display. So we have can you see this? We have the camera here, the dot camera here, not at the center. We have the main speaker here, and this is the camera. So let's power on the device. I must say, guys, I must admit, the device is so slim, and the color is so eye-catchy, and it's a good looking device, and as you can see the display as well on the front, it's so neat. Can you see the thickness of the device? It is so slim, guys. I think that's why Xiaomi is calling this device as light and loaded. So it has lightweight, and the specs are pretty good, pretty impressive specs, like 6 GB RAM with 120 GB ROM, and also it has 732 Snapdragon. So that's why it's light and loaded. Okay, so let's quickly set up this device, and I'll be back in a bit after setting up the device and show you guys how the display really looks, because I think this is an AMOLED display, I guess. Yeah, it's an AMOLED panel, and it has 90 Hz refresh rate. So that is impressive. That is pretty impressive. So I also heard that this device comes with few video modes. I think it has 23 kind of video modes where you can vlog, edit movies on the go, something as such. So this phone will be useful for the people who are mainly into vlogging and making videos for YouTube. So I'm just setting up my device. Kindly bear with me. I'll be back in 2 minutes. So while the device is setting up, let me put in this TPU case and show you guys how this looks. That's a snug fit, you can see. Even though with this TPU case, the mobile, I am so impressed with the form factor of this device. Is so slim, easy to hold with one hand, not heavy though, and it can easily just fit in the hand. And I'm just repeating this again and again. You guys will definitely like this device because it has that decent gorgeous look. The camera setup is the one I like because it looks similar to that of the iPhone setup, camera setup, whatever it is. But so the rear of the device looks gorgeous with that camera setup, so it looks similar to that of the iPhone. And I'm still astonished why I don't feel the phone's weight or anything. I feel like there's nothing in my hand, and the device has pretty good color on the display. The display is pretty bright. You can see, you guys can notice that, right? So I'm just going ahead with this skip. No thanks. I'll do it later. As of now, I just want to show you guys. Okay, let's test this fingerprint now. Yeah, that I cannot skip. So let me put the pattern. Okay, so let's set this fingerprint, and whoa, even that is sensitive. That's pretty sensitive. Because I've used the Redmi 9 Power fingerprint sensor, which is on the side as a power button, but I never felt this kind of response. This is pretty responsive and it's quite fast as well. It registers pretty quick. Oh, I'm really glad that I got this device. We're done. Okay, not needed. Yeah, this is what we need to turn it off. Okay, classic. Okay, setup is complete, and I think this phone comes with MIUI 12, I guess. So let's see in the settings. Okay, while the phone is setting up, let's have a look at the box contents, because I forgot totally after seeing the device. So we have the basic charger and the Type-C USB cable for charging, and I think this is 33 watt. This is what I believe. This charger is quite big. So that's the charger and the cable in the box, and so these are the box contents. I'll just place it to you guys and show you. We can add this as well. These are the box contents. So coming back to the device. Oh, that's quite fast, the fingerprint sensor. Even the display AMOLED panel, you can't complain about AMOLED panel. It's always very bright and colorful. The blacks look deep, and the other colors also look not very saturated, but it gives a punch, and you kind of enjoy that color production or whatever but the display on this phone is just awesome. So I think let's check on the settings and see what exactly we have here. So right now we have MIUI 12.0.4 update. So I think yes, this device, like I said, this device runs on MIUI 12 and we have an update already here. So while that's downloaded, let's check the other things. Yeah, I think this is similar MIUI fashioned layout of this GUI. So we have unwanted apps like Netflix, MiPay. I don't use MiPay at all, and other Google stuff. So this is the MIUI and MIUI 12. So let's check the camera. Oh, camera looks good. This is the similar camera interface. So I'll get back to you guys on the overall review of the device and how it performs on a daily basis if I use the daily driver. And also I think we can remove such unwanted apps. We can install them. Yes, we have an option. Yes, we can do that. That's good. As of now, I'm impressed with this device. Its display is pretty bright. It's AMOLED display, can't complain about that. So the device form factor is pretty neat and pretty slim, and overall aesthetics has impressed me a lot because it's handy. It's pretty easy to hold in hand. It's not heavy though. It's not even broad, and it's a 6.55-inch display. Even it has such big display, you cannot feel that weight. So that is very impressive, and the fingerprint sensor is pretty fast. Even the camera, how fast it opens. So the chipset uses Snapdragon 732. I think that's quite fast, and well, let's see. Only the time can prove how well this device can perform. And this was just an unboxing and first impression of this Mi 11 Lite jazz blue color, and I am really impressed the way the rear of the phone looks. And even putting this TPU case, the phone has still no weight at all, and the display is impressive. You guys will definitely like it. And so this was my first unboxing of a mobile on this channel, and you guys please do like, share, subscribe, and support. Thank you for watching this video. If you guys like this video, please do like, subscribe, and please do comment if there are any shortcomings in this video and correct me where I can. And so that's it guys from me. Thank you. Signing off. This is BackpackbikerSam, and see you again in my next video on the performance of this Mi 11 Lite. So this was Mi 11 Lite unboxing and overview of the specs, and it was just my initial impression of this device. So thank you for watching this video, and you guys please stay safe, take care, and see you again in my next video. Hope you guys like it. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.